Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to Copper Jacket TV. So the left is absolutely losing it over this one, and that brings me a ton of joy. So if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, stay tuned. Hey guys, real quick, if you just have a few seconds to hit that subscribe button or that like button, I would be very grateful. This channel is being shadow banned and it's been very difficult lately. If you have a few extra seconds and you wouldn't mind leaving a comment, that would be helpful as well. Also, if you're somebody who's smart enough to know that one day you might find the need to defend yourself, make sure you click that link below to the USCCA and get one of the best memberships that you'll ever have. You get the magazine, concealed carry reciprocity map, excellent online education and training. You also get the self-defense liability insurance, which is probably the best peace of mind that you'll ever put in your wallet. Okay, so what we're talking about today is the left's reaction to a possible Second Amendment victory coming out of the Supreme Court as early as next month. This is the NYSRPA v. Bruen, which is a case that revolves around New York carry laws, specifically their good cause requirement, or in California, it'd be your just cause requirement. Basically, you have to show good cause in order to get a permit. Most people can't show good cause, and so most people are denied that permit and essentially denied their rights. So the NYSRPA decided that they were going to take it to court, and that process went all the way up to the Supreme Court, and now that it's at the Supreme Court and they've heard oral arguments, and they're pretty close to actually ruling in this case, they've actually showed and projected that it looks like they might be on the side of the NYSRPA, giving a massive Second Amendment victory to the entire country, and it would affect carry laws all over, in every state, including California. This would have massive ramifications in states that have a good cause or just cause requirement. Now, every once in a while, I know it's kind of weird, but I like to go to these left-leaning sites and newspapers and pages and just kind of get some perspective. It usually ends up being just pure entertainment because you can see they're working solely off of emotion and, you know, not facts or reality, but they like to gin up emotion in other people as well. So they try and use those keywords that we're all used to hearing and basically just put them in every little thing that they don't like. And that's pretty much what's happening here. They've gone completely overboard, and they can't believe that the Supreme Court might actually be siding on the side of rights here. And so they're panicked, and they're panicked big time. I'll put just a few of the headlines that I found just this morning up here so you guys can read them for yourself. And I mean, you can see from the titles, and you can see from the subtitles and some of the other context that's in that little screenshot there, what they're thinking about this, and they are worried because I think, like most of us know, I think this is going to go on the side of rights. And if that happens, it puts them back decades in trying to stop us from practicing those rights. Now, we all know they try and spin absolutely everything. So if they're showing genuine worry and concern to the public, it's probably a good thing for us. It probably means that we are about to see a major victory here, and a victory that I think, again, would have broad implications across the entire country. I think, in my own personal opinion, that it would take every single state and county and city that is may issue, and they'll have to be shall issue after this. I think that depending on the language that we see come out of this case, I mean, who knows? I mean, it could go as far as permits being gone altogether. I mean, if that's the ruling that there shouldn't be a permit to practice a right, well then goodbye permits. That's something that could possibly happen. It's not 100% that it'll happen, but again, it's something that could happen, and I'm trying to stay optimistic here. But a win is a win, and I'll take any win that they're going to give us at this point, because it's been pretty much either they're not hearing cases or they're just kicking cases down the road, or, you know, whatever. It's just, it hasn't been very good for us. So obviously we're looking for a win here, and hopefully it happens. So the NYSRPA v. Bruen is a very big case that we all need to be watching, and hopefully we'll get a ruling on this one soon, and I'll be able to get in front of the camera and bring you guys some great news. So I want to thank you all very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe. You guys have a great day.